Funnel Cake Factory, we're coming for you.
Oh my god.
I don't know if you can see it. It's there, right next to old time photos. So we're going. A lot of you have told us to come here, so here we are. Hey everybody.
Hello.
So many of you have told us to check out the Funnel Cake Factory here, right by the Old Mill District. So we're here
in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
Yeah, we're here.
I'm so excited. We just ate a light lunch today because we know we're gonna
Funnel cake for dinner.
Yeah, no, we're not having funnel cake.
Oh, what are we having?
So all the recommendations said to try the hot fudge cake. So
that's not on a funnel cake?
I don't think so.
So we're not gonna get funnel cake at a funnel cake place? Okay.
That's what they recommended.
We're testing you.
We're doing it.
Let's go before we get hit by a car.
Okay, bye.
We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
RVTV.
So we're here at the Funnel Cake Factory. It is right at the entrance to the Old Mill District, right off the Parkway, right in front of the Live Alligators store. And we got so many recommendations to come try this place out, so we're so excited. We're going in. Ooh. Hello. Wow. Hot fudge cake. How you doing?
It's waiting on you to get here. What's that?
I don't. We were told to try your hot fudge cake.
Oh, okay.
Is that a good idea?
Don't do that.
Huh?
Don't do that. It's a good idea.
It's a good idea? Yeah, that's what we were recommended to try.
Whipped cream?
Huh?
Yeah.
Whipped cream?
Oh yeah. Down. Ooh, they got Mayfield ice cream here. I love ice cream. Super cow. Red, yellow, and blue colored vanilla ice cream. Soda machines, lemonades. Here's the prices. Don't grow up, it's a trap. That's the prices of the ice cream. The hot fudge cake, this is $12. So me and Aaron are definitely splitting it. Yes. So they got popcorn. They got caramel or cheese popcorn. They got some fudge. Yeah, they got fudge. Ooh, orange crush. Peanut butter. Maple walnut. Chocolate peanut butter. And here's the funnel cakes over here. Wow. Okay, traditional with sugar, $8. They got red velvet with cream cheese. Apple pie. Oh wow. Strawberry pie. Oreo blast. Create your own. They have all the different toppings there. It's hard to see, there's boxes. Oh wow. Okay, next time we'll try a funnel cake. We'll come back next time and try the funnel cake. Deal?
Caramel and cheese popcorn.
Yeah, I said that.
They might say Chicago.
Yeah. Garrett's popcorn.
Garrett's popcorn.
Leave a comment if you've had Garrett's popcorn.
Oh my god.
Oh,
I
so
don't care
good.
about that popcorn. I will fight them.
Yes. Yes. The cheddar mixed with the caramel. So good. Aaron. It's starting to fall apart. We were just taking a picture of it. Piece fell.
We gotta jump in.
Oh yeah. It's warm out today, so it's melting quick. Oh, there's hot fudge all over it.
Oh my god.
Chocolate cake.
Nuts.
Ice cream. Next time we'll get a funnel cake.
It's nuts.
There's good.
With all the things.
Yep. It's good?
That's awesome. Even the ice cream is like so good.
This is our dinner.
I'm fine with it.
You're fine with it?
Fine with it.
Wow. You're not even a sweets person, and you like it.
The chocolate is just right. It's not too sweet in any way, which I was scared of. It's really, really good. Well balanced. Really nice.
You got a beautiful mountain view behind you too. I don't know if they can see it, but it's beautiful.
You gotta dig in.
Okay, I will.
Alright, it's Kim's turn. She's lucky I saved her any because it's so good. It's so good. Sorry it's very loud. This restaurant is right on the parkway, yeah, so. And it's quite bright behind you as well, so I hope they can see you. Right? It's like, yep, it's delicious. that's all I gotta say about that. Let me put it in my face.
I wish this was like, I wish this was on top of a funnel cake.
That's kind of what I was picturing when you told me, because you know it is a funnel cake place, but I am not disappointed about this whatsoever. So good. So good. It is melting quickly though. I don't even know the temperature.
Melting.
But it's so good. And we're gonna go hit the island after this. So stay tuned for that video. Should we get a funnel cake too? We can take it with us. I don't know. I'm just thinking about it. I'm just thinking about it.
You giving up on me? You better not.
I am.
We still got some left.
Well, we did good already. Like, we did very well. It's
Yes.
it really is. I'm so thank you so much.
Yeah.
Numerous of you told us about this, so thank you all because I am so happy, so satisfied. I would come back again and get the same exact thing. The cake alone is delicious, from the ice cream and the whipped cream.
Well, he said the cake was made with 3 different kinds of chocolate or something.
So yeah, definitely if you are curious, do it because worth it. 12 bucks, but it was huge. So
it was like a meal.
You could probably
I'm
split
full.
it with 4 normal eaters.
4 normal eaters.
But yeah, it was a lot. It was a lot. There's still a ton of cake under this ice cream.
Yeah.
So good. Yeah, I'm not mad at that at all.
Yeah. Next time we get a funnel cake.
Okay. Deal.
Stick a fork in us. Okay, do it. I ate my half. You didn't eat your half.
I ate a lot.
Yeah, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you though.
Yeah, right. I ate more than I normally would.
Yeah. Normally she eats like 2 bites and I eat the rest. But that was really good.
I am so full.
That was a meal.
You can easily share that with quite a few people. Like for sure.
I wanted to try other things, but I knew it would go to waste.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
next time.
For sure. We'll be back because it was that good. Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely worth it. Worth the stop.
Yeah, and they had to-go boxes in there, so you could come in here and take it to go, take it back to your hotel, your cabin, or they did have tables inside and outside.
Yeah, in case it's too hot outside, which it was a little hot, but we enjoyed being outside
Yeah,
for
well,
sure.
they have music playing inside, so it's hard to film when there's music playing.
True that.
And then you get the road noise outside.
Yeah,
so.
which we're having right now too. But this funnel cake factory is located right here on Old Mill Ave in the Parkway, which is right the same road that enters into the Old Mill District. So it's really easy. You can walk here if you're hanging out in the Old Mill District for the day. You can easily walk over here and get a funnel cake too.
Yep.
So yeah, we had a great time.
Good spot. Thanks for the recommendation.
Yeah, you guys are amazing as always. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. We appreciate you guys watching, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. We'll see you in the next episode.